How to replace the battery on the HP EliteBook 1040 G11 notebook PC. The HP Elite X360 1040 G11 notebook PC has a new screwless battery design. In this video, we will walk you through how to replace the battery. To access the battery, first locate the 4 screws that secure the bottom cover. Loosen the 4 screws. They will not come out of the back panel. Next, locate the speaker grates. Use a flat, non-abrasive tool to pry up the speaker grates and pull the bottom cover towards the hinges to remove it. Be careful not to puncture the speakers. With the bottom cover removed, disconnect the battery cable. Then, simply push the 2 blue latches on each side of the battery to release it. Remove the old battery. The battery has tabs on the back edge of the battery. These need to be aligned with the brackets on the chassis. Position the new battery into place, aligning the tabs with the brackets. Push the blue latches back into place to secure the battery. Then, connect the battery cable. Replace the bottom cover by aligning the tabs near the hinges and lowering the cover into place. Apply pressure around the edges of the cover to snap it into place. Finally, tighten the 4 screws that secure the bottom cover. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.